Hey guys! So tonight I'm coming to you guys with a little night late vlog. My camera is only at 45%, so let me hurry up and tell you guys what I got on my mind here. So as you can already tell by the video title, today we'll be going over how to look flawless with no makeup. We're gonna do full face. So just to be clear, I don't have on any foundation. I don't have on any lipstick or gloss. I had some coconut oil in there earlier, but that's dry. I don't have on any mascara, no eyebrow filler, no nothing. I don't have anything on. So, which is new for me because I typically always have a little something on, but you guys had actually noticed it in one of my videos before, and that's because I've been using something new that I'm gonna share with you guys. So my first tip for you guys is to know your skin and like really pay attention to it. So I have been tracking my skin for probably the last maybe 3 months, like really trying to pay attention to what was breaking me out and what was causing, because I was having like these little just random like outbreaks on my skin and I didn't know where it was coming from. And what I learned is that every month, 2 weeks before my cycle, I get these little breakouts. So it was just hormones. So just from being a woman, I'm breaking out. Also, my body did not like hydrogenated oils. My skin didn't like it. So if I had potato chips, it would be like, nah, and you can just tell that I had potato chips. So those were the two things. And so really there's no real workaround like as far as my cycle. So I could treat the symptoms, which are, you know, pimples and breakouts and so on when they appear, but I was getting annoyed with that. So I tried something new. I want to share with you guys. It is Curology. And I'm really excited about this product and to share it with you guys because I wanted to try this a long time ago when Alana Arbucci made a video on it and her transformation was incredible. But I was like, I don't know. Can you shut the door, buddy? Jackson just told me to. A late vlogging. Late, see? Where was I? So Alana tried it and her transformation was beautiful, and I trust Alana. Like, she is one of the very few YouTubers that I actually trust. And so I was like, you know, I really want to try that myself. So let me tell you guys what Curology is. Curology is a monthly subscription service, and what makes it so unique is basically what you do is you send them pictures of your skin and they will make an individualized plan for your specific skincare needs. So I sent them pictures of my skin like right around the time when I was about to come on. So I had little whiteheads everywhere. And then they ask you what you're looking for. And I told them that I was looking for something that would manage my outbreaks. So it would be more of like a preventative outbreak type of situation. I keep saying outbreak, that sounds like an STD. Breakouts, that's what I'm trying to say. So I wanted something as a preventative for my breakouts, and I also wanted something that will help fine lines and wrinkles, like as a preventative measure as well. So they sent me my stuff and it looks like that. So it comes with, you have a moisturizer, I love this moisturizer, and you have a cleanser, and then you also have your prescription. So the reason that this is so cool and so unique too is you are actually assigned like a dermatology provider, and they would cater to your specific needs, like I said, and they'll send a prescription specifically for you. So here is mine, is my name on it. My name is Victoria Jackson, and so this is my prescription. And you'll send your pictures in initially, but you actually check in with your dermatology provider, and you send them updates of how your skin is doing. So if they need to adjust this at any time, they can do that too. It's so cool, but I love it. So anyway, this worked so well on my skin, guys. So I've tried this out. This is probably 2.5 months in, and you guys actually noticed it in my video that I did for how to grow waist-length hair. You guys were like, your skin looks so good, you know, you're not wearing any makeup and so on and so on. And I was like, oh my God, thank you. You know, it was this. So I actually vlogged my experience kind of to show you guys how my skin was doing so you guys can understand my experience. I showed you guys when I had why do I keep calling it an outbreak? I showed you guys when I had a breakout and what that looked like, and kind of like my progress up to, I think I stopped right around like about a month into it. But just so you guys can see how it was working for me. Now, I did notice that there was some peeling on my skin. If this happens to you guys and it started to like scar over, it looks like a scab where I had some acne, but I was worried about that. I wrote in to see if that was normal. It was perfectly normal, so don't get discouraged if you were to see like that. It was kind of scabbing over, but it was just my skin healing. Okay guys, so I just finished rinsing my face and look at it. Look at how we're looking. It looks good and it feels good. My face feels so smooth. I cannot believe, like, it feels nice and firm, nice and tight. I am not a skeptic anymore. Like, this feels good. Oh my gosh. And I am supposed to be on my cycle in the next few days. So is that TMI? Whatever. It looks good. Holy. So don't get discouraged. Now, if you guys are interested in this, you can get this for 1 month free. The only thing you'd have to pay is shipping and handling, which is $4.95. And just click on the link in my description box and you'll get 1 month free of this. Oh, another thing I wanted to say real quick was about their moisturizer. This moisturizer, guys, so my skin is so bizarre. So I guess you would call it combination skin, because at some points I'll be oily and at some points I'll be dry, but that's just a recent thing. So this moisturizer right here is so lightweight, but it gets the job done. And that is the moisturizer that you see here on my face. So thank you so much, Curology, for reaching out to me and sending me these and for sponsoring this video. This part of the video is the only part of the video that's sponsored, so let's get to the next part. The next thing that I do that I think is very important for a flawless look with no makeup on, don't ask me why I keep doing this, a flawless look with no makeup on, is to make sure that your lips look nice and plump and pink. Well, not necessarily plump, but just soft and pink. And that's just my personal preference because my lips actually tend to darken. And so what I do is I make a lip scrub to lighten my lip area. And I use brown sugar with coconut oil and lemon. And I take that and I scrub my lips with it. Make sure you're really gentle with it. And don't be alarmed if your lip turns a little red. If after doing it, that's perfectly normal because mine does that as well. And it'll wear off in about 30 minutes. I just did mine before this video. I think my lip probably look a little red now maybe. But so you just want to rub it just a little bit, just very gently on your lips for about 2 minutes. And then you follow up with just the plain lemon and rub that on your lips. Guys, that works so well for lightening and brightening the lips. I absolutely love it. Now I make a big batch for myself, or a large batch I should say, that'll last me for about a month. I'll put it in the refrigerator. It is going to get hard. Don't worry about it. Don't let that alarm you or worry you. All you do is just add just a drizzle of water to it. It'll soften right back up. All right guys, so the next thing that I do for flawless skin is I do a honey mask. I told you guys about this in a video before, a couple of videos before, but I use Manuka honey and I put that all over my face and I leave that on my face for at least 30 minutes. That really helps me with keeping my skin nice and glowy and keeping my skin nice and firm and supple. And so I really love this in my skincare routine. And then after I do that, I go in and I make sure to get all of the unwanted hairs off of my face. But what I do is I just use a straight razor and I get all of the hairs in the corners of my lips, especially like in this area here is where hairs really tend to accumulate, like right up in here. And it, from a distance, it looks dark, and so I like to make sure that that is off, any shadows that it may be casting. Also get my sideburns with the straight razor. My sideburns actually, guys, comes like way out here, so I shave that down like a man with my straight razor. And finally, guys, your diet. Your diet is so important when it comes to your skin. I'm trying not to laugh because I know you guys are probably thinking like, here she is always talking about diet, but it's important. So make sure that you are taking in lots of water, making sure you're staying hydrated, and make sure you're taking a probiotic. Yes, I know I talk about probiotics all the time. Probiotics are very important, so make sure you're taking your probiotic, okay? Because you want to keep your gut in symbiosis. Your gut is your second brain. And you also want to make sure that you are having lots of fruits and vegetables. You know I was going to say it. It's important, so sorry. Make sure you are being conscious about what you're putting in your body. And that is it, guys. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions for me, leave it in the comments comment section. I go through and rate these comments and I answer all of the questions. And my Instagram name is, hey Jackson, my Instagram name is @a_beauty_beast, and I'll see you guys in the next video. You want to come say bye?
Bye.
They can't see you.
Bye.
Bye guys.